guys, this is NJ. We'll talk about chirognomy. Chirognomy, as we know, is the study of the structure of your hands. The structure of your hand, which consists of your fingers, whether your fingers are long or short, and like how the shape of your palm, what type of your hand is. These things tell a great deal about someone's personality. So now we have already started our series on fingers, and in our last part we have studied about the basic traits of index finger. Like the way we know, index finger is associated with the leadership qualities, your egoism, your morals, your righteousness, and how efficient you are in this life. So we in our last video we have discussed about what are the traits of index finger as a whole, and like the way I say that every single finger has got its own associated particular attributes, and how they express themselves in the outer world, that is being determined by the tip of the finger. So we have discussed that in our last part. Now we will discuss little bit more in detail about the index finger. So now comes the second part, which is the fingerprint pattern. So there are like basically three patterns which are found in fingers. First remain to be the vole, in Hindi, which is also known as chakra. So when you will find this kind of fingerprint pattern in the tip of the index finger, so this kind of fingerprint pattern increases the qualities of leadership, dynamism, good education, assertiveness in an individual, because vole is basically associated with go-getterness, your confidence, your all the righteous qualities and all the virtuousness are associated with vole. So when you will find this fingerprint pattern at the tip of the index finger, then all these qualities associated with the index finger would increase in the life of an individual or in the personality of an individual. Then the second print pattern is loop. So in Hindi, which we also call as shankh. So if you will find this kind of pattern in the these kind of pattern at the tip of an individual index finger, at the tip of the index finger, so this infuses the traits which are associated with, like, these people remain to be very friendly, have got very good smile, they are very trendy, they are talented but they lack the concentration, and they are like very emotional, very friendly, and like, so mainly loop is associated with the adaptability, how adaptable you are, how friendly you are, how adjustable you are in the life. So if you will find this kind of loop print pattern at the tip of the index finger, so these are the qualities which will get infused in an individual. Index finger is assertiveness, your confidence. With loop pattern or at the tip of the fingertip, then this would make these people like they would like to forge ahead in life with confidence, but not in an autocratic way, rather being associated with all their friends and carrying all their relationship along with them, not at the cost of compromising on their friends and all their interpersonal relationships. Then the third fingerprint pattern, which is known as arch. So arch is like this. In Hindi, which we also call it as parvat. So when you will find arch print pattern at the tip of the index finger, then this infuses the qualities of stability, reliability, practicality, and these people remain to be very like loyal in their relationship. This is like the way I say, whole fingerprint pattern can be bottled down in a single term as go-getterness, your confidence, assertiveness. Loop can be termed as your adaptability, your friendliness. Arch is associated with one word and one word only, which is stability, reliability, practicality. These people, because of the stability of this associated with this print pattern. So these people get slow success in their life, but with their determination they forge ahead definitely. So these people get step by step success in life. These people are very cautious in their negative traits. If this finger is get afflicted by the negative signs, then at times these people tend to behave very stubborn. Otherwise this pattern makes someone very loyal in the relationship and very focused and very stable in their all the dealings of the life. So this is on the fingerprint patterns of index finger. I hope you guys found by this video informational. For further more updates and notifications on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.